Welcome back. Today we're looking at the top 30 inside track exclusive deals at Harbor Freight. These aren't your typical coupons. These are Blue Tag Special reserved just for us ITC members. If you've been looking to upgrade your shop, these 30 scripts will show you exactly how much you can save this month. Let's get started. US General 42-inch series, 3-top chest. Do you need serious storage? The US General Series 3 42-inch top chest is a beast with 10 drawers and a built-in power strip. It's built tougher to resist sagging and keeps your batteries charged right where you work. Members save a massive $100, bringing this down to $349.99. Next, Pittsburgh. It's a 2-ton low-profile aluminum floor jack. Ditch the heavy steel and go with Pittsburgh's 2-ton aluminum racing jack. Its low-profile design fits under slammed cars. The rapid pump system gets you to your height fast. ITC members, grab this for $139.99, saving you $60. That's a deal. Then we got the Fortress 6-gallon ultra-quiet air compressor. Are you tired of air compressors that sound like a jet engine? The Fortress 6-gallon ultra-quiet is up to 80% quieter than standard models. It delivers 150 psi for a maximum tool runtime while letting you actually have conversation in the shop. Save $30 with your ITC membership. Next, we have the US General 30-in-1 drawer service cart. These things are handy in anybody's shop, and I highly recommend you getting one if you don't have one. These are the ultimate companion for your project. The 30-inch service cart gives you a locking drawer and a sturdy top work surface. It's perfect for rolling your tools right to the job. Pick it up right now for $89.99. That's $50 off for members. Several colors are available. Then there's the Yukon 46-inch mobile workbench. Upgrade your workspace with the Yukon 46-inch mobile workbench. It features a solid wood top and heavy-duty drawers for all your essentials. The member price is only $279.99, giving you a solid $50 savings. Next, we have the Titanium Unlimited 200 Professional Welder. Ready for pro results on a do-it-yourself budget? The Titanium Unlimited 200 Multi-Process Welder is the versatile dual voltage and ready-to-weld option right out of the box. ITC members can save $100 right now, bringing this powerhouse down to only $699.99. Hey guys, next up we got a Predator 200-watt foldable solar panel. I know some of you have been looking at these things, but they are really handy when you're out working or just out enjoying the daylight. They'll charge your batteries back up. They'll run small appliances, run fans, different things. But you can power your ventures with this Predator 200-watt solar panel. It's super lightweight and it folds away for easy transport. Members saving $40 picking this up for $189.99 with your ITC membership. No coupon required. Then we have the Bauer 35-gallon dust collector. Keep your shop air clean and your lungs healthy. The Bauer 35-gallon dust collector features a powerful motor and a high-capacity bag for serious woodworking. ITC members can save $50 this month on this item. It's only $399.99. That's a deal to keep your shop clean, guys. Next up, we have the Black Widow Professional Gravity Feed Spray Gun. Stop overpaying for name brand. Get the performance your project deserves. Pick up the Black Widow before April 2nd with your ITC membership and save $50. So it's down to $129.99 from $179. That's nearly 30%. That's a really good deal on this quality spray gun. Next up, we got a Drummond 1-horsepower shallow well pump and tank for those of you that have wells. This is a great bargain, coming in at $149.99. Reliable water pressure starts with Drummond. This 1-horsepower pump and tank system is built with stainless steel for long-lasting performance. Save $20 right now with your ITC membership. Hey, this is a great deal if you need a TV wall mount. It's the Armstrong full motion TV mount. Looking to mount your TV without breaking the bank? This full motion mount is built for heavy screens and offers smooth tilt and swivel. With your membership, you save 57% right now, from $34.99 down to just $14.99. So if you've been putting that off, hanging your TV on the wall, hey, there's no reason to. This is a great deal. Next up's the Bauer 14-gallon wet and dry vacuum. Take the toughest shop messes with the Bauer 14-gallon wet dry vac. It features high performance motor and a blower port in case you want to use it as a blower on your shop table. Members are saving $20. Grab it for $99.99 right now. Next we have the Icon 1/4-inch drive professional ratchet. Precision matters in tight spots. The Icon 1/4-inch professional ratchet features a 90-tooth design for a tight 4-degree arc swing. ITC members save $13 right now, 39% off. You pay only $19.99. Was $32.99, so it is a bargain. Next we have a light. We have the Bronze 750 lumen rechargeable floodlight. It's only $23.99 down from $29.99, so 20% savings. Don't work in the dark. This Bronze 750 lumen floodlight is rechargeable, it's magnetic, and it's small enough to fit in your palm. Member price, as I said, is just $23.99. It comes in 4 colors. Next we have the Pittsburgh 70-piece screwdriver set. Hey man, this is a nice little screwdriver set. It's down to $19.99, normally $29.99. Are you tired of missing the right size? This 70-piece Pittsburgh set includes everything from precision drivers to heavy-duty hex keys. It's a steal at $19.99. Hey, this is something all of us can probably use. Pittsburgh 1,500-pound vehicle dollies, and it's 2 pieces. They're down to $39.99 from $64.99. That's 38% savings. Maximize your floor space with the Pittsburgh vehicle dollies. Move heavy trucks in any direction with ease. Use your ITC membership and save big. Next up, we got the Costco 3-in-1 convertible hand truck. This thing's coming in at $144.99, down from $169.99. It's very versatile. Moving day just got easier. The Costco converts from a hand truck to a flatbed in seconds, handling up to 1,000 pounds. Use your ITC membership to get this item. You need some socket rails? Well, we got the US General magnetic socket rail. Right now, with your ITC membership, you can get this for $14.99, down from $21.99, so it's a great deal. You can stop digging for loose sockets. This magnetic rail holds 13 sockets securely, even upside down. Next up, we have the Predator 79cc gasoline water pump. Need to move the water fast? Predator 1-inch gas pump delivers 35 gallons per minute. Hey, it's only $199.99. It's down from $229.99. So it's a good $30 savings right there if you need a good water pump. Next, let's look at the Bauer 1/2-inch corded impact wrench. It is corded, but it's tough. The Bauer corded impact wrench delivers 1,050 foot-pounds of breakaway torque directly from your wall outlet. If you're in your garage, it shouldn't be a problem plugging in for that extra power. Members are saving $15 this month with the ITC membership. It's down to $59.99. Let's look at the Bauer SDX Max rotary hammer. It's down for a great price of $119.99. Normally it's $149.99, so you can save $30 right now. Serious concrete works need serious power. The Bauer SDS Max hammer features an 11-amp motor for fast drilling. Sound like a great deal. Next, we have the Franklin 500-pound hydraulic table cart. I don't know if you guys have ever used one of these, but they are very handy for unloading your pickup truck or lifting something from the ground up to a height. Just works wonders for your back. And that's how they're actually describing it. Save your back. Franklin table cart lets you lift up to 500 pounds with a foot pedal pump. And as I said, you can save $50 right now, 25% off until April 2nd with your ITC membership. Next, we have the Pittsburgh 12-ton hydraulic bottle jack. Hey, these things are handy, and you guys all know it. You probably have some. Might want to pick up another one right now while it's so cheap. You can get this 12-ton hydraulic jack for $24.99. Regular price is $39.99, so you're saving 38%. It's got maximum lifting power in such a tiny package. It's a must-have if you don't already have one, or if you just want to add another one. Next, let's look at the engine. We got a Predator 459cc max performance engine, bargain priced at $379.99, down from $449, save 70 bucks. Repower your machinery with this 15.8 horsepower engine. It's heavy duty, reliable, and it's a great price for ITC members. Let's look at the Hercules 11 amp 4.5 inch angle grinder. Pro grade grinding and cutting. Hercules 11 amp grinder won't bog down under pressure. This is corded, but once again, if you're close to your work area and you need that extra power, you can't hardly beat this for $49.99. It's down from $64.99. Now let's look at the Bauer 20 volt 1/2 inch impact wrench. This is cordless. Obviously it's a 20 volt, so if you have 20 volt batteries already, you're in luck. You can just buy this right off. Go cordless with the Bauer high torque impact wrench, power for lugs and suspension work, and it's 20 bucks off right now, only $109.99. Anyway, $109.99 would be a great addition to your toolbox. Next, we have another Black Widow product, the professional HTE spray gun. The Spectrum HTE spray gun delivers a glass-like finish with its 1.3 millimeter nozzle and precise near fan control. This is engineered for superior atomization. It offers precise command and high efficiency performance. Right now you can save $50 on this. You can pick it up for $129.99. It's 28% off regular price with your ITC membership. Next, we have another Bauer 20 volt tool. It's the cordless 3/8 inch ratchet. Speed up work in tight engine bays with the Bauer cordless ratchet. High torque, no hose. Hey, $44.99, why not? It's 25% off. Need some sandpaper? 5-pack discs on sale for $4.59. Pick you up several packs, they're 42% off. Last item we'll look at today is the 1/2 inch drive professional low profile ratchet with a comfort grip. The Icon 1/2 inch low profile ratchet features a 90-tooth mechanism for tight spaces. It's only $34.99, down from $47.99. That's 27% off. These Icon tools are probably on grade with anybody you want to compare them against. But you check it out for yourself. That concludes the top 30 that I found today, from heavy duty welders to precision hand tools. These savings are only for members and only till April 2nd. Most of them are in-store only. So go to your local Harbor Freight, check them out. If you haven't joined yet, go on down there. $29.99 for 1 year, and I think it's $44.99 for 2 years. You'll pay for that in one purchase. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Offer suggestions. I know I'm a little clumsy here. I'm trying to get better with each one. I hope to see you on the next video, and y'all take care.